Hello everybody, today I will teach you how to get the paper airplane for free. And I think there's already a video on this, but I don't care, to be honest. So anyways, you just wanna equip this, go over here, then equip it, then try on, go over here, and then make it like go down, and then go over here, and then make it get on your own, and then boom. That's how you do it. All my life, they're trying to keep me down, they're trying to keep me down.
We're gonna be doing super special.
Hold up.
And if y'all couldn't tell,
Oh my gosh!
That menu.
the ATM. So that's gonna be a special day for 10,000 subscribers. Thank y'all guys so much. So, more of the story. I'm gonna get random operators.
And anyways, I'm gonna post.
You gotta boost your buddy. Come on.
You
I'm
can't
gonna
see my
post.
menu. You can see me using it, but not.
Ain't no way you a YouTuber
I'm gonna-
can't do this.
And also,
Nobody, you're not.
I'm gonna go on cloud because it's bad. Nobody goes in here. Probably like a ghost. What the fuck? But anyways, fudge. I forgot what I was like. Well, oh yeah. Well, I'm going to post a movie. Well, actually, I'm going to do a golden trophy. Well, wait. Should I do a golden trophy, like 2 golden trophy challenges in 2 videos? Like the first one in the first video, and then the second one in the second video. Or should I do what is it called? Or well, so basically at 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a
Hey monkey, what the?
wait, what? Wait, what is this? Can I pick this up?
Letting me join in.
Well, anyway, I'm going to do a golden trophy challenges at 10,000 subscribers, and then I'm going to I'm going to do a Gorilla Tag movie at 800 subscribers. So
Hey, no.
yeah.
No, buddy. That ain't.